Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I make my DIY feeding braids on my short fussy natural hair. And please make sure you hit the subscribe button, it's absolutely free. So guys, I had washed my hair and moisturized it before stepping out of the shower. Now I'll go ahead and section my hair in 3 parts because I'll be making this hairstyle shown on the screen. This is just 6 feeding braids. So I'll section my hair into 3 parts at the front and just a little bit at the back for knotless braid. I prefer sectioning my hair with fingers before I use any comb because of the ends. I'll be using yarn and I'd already sectioned them into different sizes from the tiny one to the biggest one. I don't want it to be that thick because yarn may be kind of heavy when it's too much, even though it's lightweighted, but when it is attached to natural hair you can easily feel the heaviness on your hair. So guys, I'll be making 4 knotless braids at the back before I proceed, and at the end of each braid I secure it with a tight knot because I'm not going to trim off the ends. So guys, I'm done with the knotless braid. I'll start the feeding braid by parting my hair into this format. So I'll be using my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It works for me as moisturizer, so I use it to seal in moisture to my natural hair. And sometimes I mix my hair growth oil with it to seal and retain moisture. But now I'm using them separately. Then I'll go in with my hair growth oil. I'll massage out into my scalp, walk it through my hair and most especially the ends. Then I'll gently detangle my ends. So to give my braids a natural look and to protect the edges from breaking, I'll start with a cornrow. Then I'll cornrow my hair for like 4 or 5 times before adding the extension. So when I'm okay with the cornrow, I'll start adding the yarn. At the beginning, I started with 1 piece and I used that twice, then 2 and then 2 pieces and later 3 pieces. As I'm moving towards the back, I increase the size of the extension, and later when I'm okay with the thickness, I decreased the size again. So I repeat the same process throughout the entire hair till I'm done. So guys, right now I'm just adding my hair growth oil to protect the edges. I actually don't like controlling my edges, so I'll be rocking my filling braids this way. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to give it a big thumbs up, and I would love to hear from you. Please drop something in the comment section below. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.